Hi lovelies, how you all doing? Welcome back to my kitchen. Please give this meal a suitable name, or should I do it myself? Okay, let me share with you how I prepare it. At the end of the video, you tell me a suitable name for it, okay? So I went inside the freezer, brought out the mackerel ice fish. I defroze it. I cut it in a cuttable size. I then washed it very well with clean water and salt, and I slice it this way. I slice it very little, okay? Shout out to all my new subscribers. I welcome you all to my channel. Please click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, I love you guys. You guys are so much amazing. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for the like, share, and comment. I so much appreciate it. And if this is your first time of seeing my video or coming across my page, thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please click on the follow and like button, comment, and share to your family and friends. So I'll be using red bell pepper for this recipe. I just cut out small red pepper. Then I'll be using just small 2 cloves of garlic and a little ginger. Then I'll be using just 1 bulb of onion, okay? That I've sliced it and added inside the blender. I'll blend it and keep it aside. So in a boiling water, I've added the blended ginger, garlic, bell pepper, and onion. I poured it inside the boiling water and I added crayfish and salt, okay? I will stir well to combine. I will then cover it to boil for 5 minutes before adding the fish and the other stuff I'll be using for the recipe, okay? So you can go ahead and add pepper. If you notice, I didn't add pepper because if I add pepper, my kids will not eat it and I will feel so bad, okay? So add pepper. I've added the fish and this is the other stuff I'll be using. So inside the plate, I have the sliced sweet potato, carrots, and ripe plantain, which I have just added inside the pot. So I will stir it and then check salt to taste, okay? I'll be adding a little salt to it, okay? So I'll now cover to cook for 10 minutes on a medium heat. This is to ensure that the taste of the ingredients that I have added will integrate with the fish, sweet potato, carrots, and the ripe plantain, okay? And this is 10 minutes. I have just added the sliced bell peppers, the green, yellow, and the red peppers, okay, for garnishing. And also, you know that bell pepper is not just for garnishing, it is loaded with vitamins and calcium, okay? So I cover to cook for 5 minutes before adding the spinach. I've washed the spinach very well, okay? So I want this meal to be loaded with enough protein and vitamins, okay? So I will go ahead to test it for the last time, okay? As usual, our Nigerian style of testing our meal. And this tastes so heavenly. Mamma mia. You should try this recipe, okay? So I just off the stove for the heat to cook the spinach, okay? And our meal is ready. Just give it a name. I won't give you the name. So have your own plate and thank you for watching. Bye.